Okay, here at Silverstone, as well as covering all the driving issues, we also try and educate people as to some of the other important aspects to do with motor racing and racing cars. And one of the things we cover is a short discussion on technical issues to do with the cars, mainly so that should people ever go out and buy their own race car, be it a Formula Ford or any other type of car, and race privately and perhaps look after it themselves at home, at least we try and give them some idea of the important technical issues that they need to be aware of in terms of maintaining the car. These are two Van Diemen Formula Ford cars. They're slightly different to the single-seater cars that those of you that are doing the single-seater driving, in that these are cars that you can actually go out and buy and then race in the national or regional Formula Ford championships, whereas the single-seaters you're using at the moment are Silverstone's own cars, which you can't buy and take away from here and race elsewhere. We've taken the bodywork off so that you can see underneath the skin of the car to see where the suspension components are located and what the chassis looks like and so on. If you look at the cars that have actually got the bodywork still on, you can see that they're a very sleek design, and there should be, I mean, there's an obvious reason why the bodywork is made to be as small as possible. Who can tell me what that reason is? Air resistance, aerodynamic drag. So aerodynamic drag is a big factor. Once you get above about 40 or 50 miles an hour, it starts to play a very big part in the performance of the car. And of course those cars, single-seater cars anyway, of the higher formulas, have wings which add to the car's performance enormously with downforce, and aerodynamic effect comes into play from about 50 miles an hour upwards. At the moment, the car is moving in such a way, if you imagine coming to the end of the straight and hitting the brakes hard, the front of the car sits down on the brakes, so we squeeze the dampers closed. And these links here are transferring that movement to the roll bar, which is simply rotating. It's free to rotate in its housing here. So if both wheels move together, up or down, the roll bar has no effect. It just rotates backwards and forwards.